Mina ke ngingaba uhlanya nje ngayo yonke indlela kodwa I've got a good heart. Nginawo ulembeza futhi ngiyaba nako ukuzisola futhi ngiyakwazi ukuthi mangabe ngenza into e-wrong ngibuyele emntwini ngibuye ngiyozehlisa ukuthi hayi ngihambe wrong mangihambe kanje. Ingqondo yami ke manje iloku iyathatha iyabeka ukuthi Nkosi yami ngamlahla umuntu wabantu ngimlahlela ukuthi isandla sakhe sikhubazekile ntontontoni. Was it really fair of me ukuthi lo muntu ngimshiye kanje yaya ngimukanise namandiya laphaya ukuthi athi uyothenga ikhadi decline mina ngihambe ngithi ngiyabuya. Now kusho ukuthi lo muntu now he had to walk all this distance because even though the distance was short but yayinde uma uhamba ngeenyawo. Was it fair for me ukuthi ngimshiye all this distance manje laphayana usekahamba yedwa usekahleli yedwa wahlala umuntu abantu bazabona ukuthi mina ngisabuyi sekahleli yedwa wenze njani after nginaleyo mbuzo and unembeza uyangishaya ukuthi I was unfair. Hayi ngoba ngangazi la esebenza khona the other day nje avela ngibone ngithi memfu ngenhlanhla mangithi memfu naye ukhona baphumanga. Hayi ngifike ngiye kuyena ngifike ngimceleke ngikhuphuke ngiye security ngifike ngimcela ukuthi hayi ngicela ukukhuluma nozibani ubusy yini bathi hayi akekho busy iboss sengaphakathi so baphuma vele mangabe sebegijimisa sebelandela umdidi wale boss. Well that was him owayesho njalo wayethi balandela umdidi weboss. Meaning ukuthi the bodyguard is looking after another man. So athi ke usecurity hayi ukhona uboss ungaphakathi so angakwazi ukukhuluma nami. Ambize ke ehleke sizohlala emotweni. Ayike ngifike kuyena ngimtshele ngithi hayi Nkosi yami yazi I'm so sorry for what happened the other day. Ngiqamba amanga ngisakhumbula ukuthi amanga ngingawaqamba ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi ngafonela ubani wathini ngase ngidecide ukungabuyi ngakhohlwa ukumfonela because it was an emergency. Avela ngibuke emehlweni athi Zandile wayethanda ukungibiza Mazandi athi Mazandi ngicela ukuqamba amanga yazi ngiyazi ukuthi yini eyakubalekisa that day. Ngithi ngempela mina I had an emergency usibani bani wathi uqala Mazandi ngiyakwazi wena wangitshela ukuthi wena uhlala wedwa. Okwesibili lento oyishoyo ayikho I can see it in your eyes ukuthi uyalaye ukhohliweni mina ukuthi ngisebenza ngabantu. Ukhohliweni mina ukuthi ngisebenza ngabantu. I'm a bodyguard and I know how to see a person who lies. Sijwayele uku-interrogate abantu. Njengamanje umqambela amanga. Hayi ke ngivele ngibona ukuthi hey ngibanjiwe ke manje nami ngiwaqambayo aqale kachaza athi asikhiphe lesisandla sakhe. Athi asikhiphe mesikhipha abesekhipha newash wayesidisguise ngewash elihle eliblack elalikhulu. Ayesidisguise ngalo nje lelo wash lalenze ukuthi vele singabonakala ukuthi sinale nkinga ngoba wayethanda either asifake ephaketheni or asifake ejakethini. Kodwa nje either way wayenendlela yokusifihla. Athi yasibona Zandile lesisandla njengoba usibona nje. Yes ngikhubazekile and I know ukuthi that day wena wangibaleka because wasibona lesi sandla for the very first time ukuthi ngikhubazekile. Let me explain to you ukuthi kwenzakalani njengoba isandla sami sibe nje. Ewe nginesandla esisodwa kodwa akusho ukuthi I am not capable of ukuthanda umuntu. Achaze ukuthi kwenzakalani achaze ukuthi indlela okwenzeka ngayo aqala ngitshela ukuthi ekhaya kubo bazala esithenjini yena umfazi omncane uma wakhe umfazi omncane kunomamkhulu njengoba behlala esithenjini kusemakhaya la khulele khona sikhomba izindawo ezileko zulu ukuthi babehleze beshawa ke ekhaya kubo umamkhulu wayehleze bashaya because wayengamfuna umama wakhe. So mangaba ngithi wayehleze shawa ngisho ukuthi ke kwaqhuma le all the way yazi impilo yasesithenjini if you know you know. So uthi kwenzeka ngelinye ilanga behleli emlilweni bosabothile ngoba yena mengabe esho ukuthi wayeyinkosana ekhaya kubo. So umamkhulu wakhe lo owumfazi kabe bakho oqala wayemzonda because uyayazi mosinto yasemafama ukuthi mawuzele umngane womfana uzele indlalifa uzele umuntu ozovikela abantu and everything. So istory nje it's a story for another day. Uthi ke umamkhulu wakhe ever since azalwa wayesoloke nomona ukuthi uzale umamncane uvele wazala indlalifa le yena asoloka ayehluleka ukuyizala ngoba yena apparently wayezala amantombazane omamkhulu wakhe umfazi kababa kokuqala. So uthi kwathi kwenzeka nje esekhula khulile nje ekumathins wakhe bathi behlezi emlilweni ngelinye ilanga beumndeni nje beqeda kulokhunja beqeda kudla isidlo santambama so base bosumbila mesho ukuthi kwakuJanuary kushisa bosumbila. Uthi bosumbila bathi beqeda ukusumbila kwave waqhamuka ilanga bebukhulu. Uthi ngaleso sikhathi maliphakama leli langabe isandla sakhe siphakathi embileni yazi ke emakhaya bawusaba umlilo babamba ngesandla uthi ubhizi ubamba umbili uphendula ngesandla and maka uphendula ngesandla leli langabe akalizwa ukuthi liyamshisa but he was actually burning. Engezwa yena ukuthi liyamshisa naye uthi akazi kanjani, but abantu ababekhona at the time uma wakhe nama siblings akubo ayebona ukuthi hayibo zibani bani uyasha, and babekhala bescreama bekhala bebona ukuthi uyasha, and yena wayengaboni, and uthi at the time ingalo yayivutha, literally vutha, burning up to a point yaze yasha yaze yagoba inyama lezi zoswama zoma imini yaze yoma yathi yagobela ngaphakathi. Uthi ke into yabantu basemakhaya ke into yasesibhedlela babengayiphakameli, kwaze kwayiwe eclinic ngakusasa, isandla sesingeke sikwazi ukulungiseka, inyama seyishile zinamathele kuye, futhi nokuthi baze baye eclinic it's because why she was in deep pain to a point ukuthi that particular day abalalanga. But waze kwacaca ukuthi hayike kusho ukuthi into yaseclinic sekuba into yangakusasa ke, ngoba vele sekuhlwile, imoto zitholakala kude, abantu abanezimoto endaweni bambalwa, baba basesitolo okuphi nama phones futhi ngaleso sikhathi mayechaza ukuthi ayengekho. So kwaba nzima nje yonke into ukuthi they can actually ukuthi bamtholele usizo ngalelo langa. Kodwa ke uthi into ebalekile enze ukuthi the following day waye clinic, mayifika eclinic bamdlulisela esibhedlela, meke efika esibhedlela bamthethisa ukuthi bekahlaleleni uma wakhe, sebethethisa uma wakhe bekahlaleleni uma wakhe nengane izilimale kanje. Wachaza kuma ukuthi hayike indawo abahlala kuyona it's a remote area, usizo lutholakala kalula, so ingakho beze bagcina beze ngakusasa elokhunjini eclinic. Uthi hayike kwacaca ukuthi bamtshela ukuthi there is much ayikho iningi into abangayenzela lengane except bamfaka ibhandishi, bamlalise, bathobe inhlungu because already umonakalo sowenzakalile. So kusho ukuthi washa ke, washa imithambo, kwasha everything from la up to here. Mekufika la washa inyama yonke yashrinka yanamathelana nethambo, kwasha nemithambo la esandleni sagoba, imini yagoba yashona phakathi kanje. So isandla sakhe nje besimi kanje, mosibuka besibukeka engazi ukuthi ithambo nje kunamathele inyama kuphela mosibuka. So that's how it actually looked. Sorry guys, my sinuses, you know the story. So yeah, wangichazela lonto ke, wathi ke so nawe ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba ubalekile that day wethuka because ngiyakwazi ukusifihla isandla sami very well. Uma ngingakufuni ukuthi usibone usuke ungeke usibone until mina ngize ngibe ready ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuthi usibone and ngichazele ukuthi kwenzakalani. So stop lying. You receive an emergency call. When more receive that emergency call, you could not even call me to tell me ukuthi kwenzakalani, because phela besingekho kude with each other. You could still be able to ubuyele kumina uzongithatha and then ungichazele ukuthi kwenzakalani. So you are lying. Kodwa let me tell you something, ukuthi uyasibona lesiya sandla lesaya kunomlingi sasiwenza mase skitaza ibele sithi kanje. Lalela. Yawazi umlingo? And ngicela ukutshela ke mina ukuthi vele ibele i-weakness yami. Usuke ungawokwenzi lutho, ungakolidlalisi ngendlela. Whether usebenzisa lo, wale kodwa yena lesa sandla lesa sinjalo wayevela athi nje. Hayi, ngiyakutshela, the rest is history. Engifuna ukusho kuwena, it's the month of November. Ngicela ufundiseke ngabantu abakhubazekile. They are normal people like you and I, balidinga uthando, banemizwa. Ngike ngibone nje abanye abantu bebuza urabishi on TikTok kuma lives abantu abakhubazekile bebuza ukuthi nilalana kanjani njengoba lo uzibani bane nje. Ngicela ke ukuthi ubuke le episode that I'm going to pin down below on the description box. I once did episode kaSne noMeli. uSne has got dystonia. I-dystonia wayithola along the way, wazalwa engenayo, but uma ehamba uyancika so. People are always asking uSne ukuthi wazala kanjani ezalelo uMeli. Impendulo ikhona kule episode. Another couple engisazokhuluma ngayo ile couple ebizwa ngokuthiwa uNosiphiwe Khumalo noMavusana. OMavusana baqomana kwi live. I was there in that live. I witnessed that. And people are always asking rubbish ukuthi uMavusana umsukela kanjani umuntu oyisidalwa, kusho ukuthi ufuna imali kaSasa. Guys, I mean like imali kaSasa imalini ukuthi ungaze uqome umuntu uzilahlele emntwini. for imali yakasasa imalini. So yeah, ngicela ukukunikeza i-challenge ukuthi on this month of November, National Awareness Disability Month, ake uhambe uzinikeze i-challenge ukuthi ufundiseke just one thing about umuntu okhubazekile. Learn one type of disability engakuthola bumini uzalwe unormal uphenduke ukhubazeke ngenxa yayo, and ne-disability ozalwa unayo, and then uzifundise nje ngayo. Just make it your challenge ukuthi uzifundise ukuthi ukuba disable kunamaphi ama-challenges, and umuntu okhubazekile siba-treat-a kanjani, because abanye abantu they pity them. Abanye abantu bayagqolozela, ukuthola ukuthi umuntu akubuka aze ayosithe aze ayojika nawe ekugqolozele, and they hate that. So i-challenge ithi awuzifundise nje one thing about ukukhubazeka, and you'll be surprised of the things that you can actually learn out of that, because yeah, disabled people banemizwa njengawe nami, banama-emotions njengawe nami, banezidingo zokuthandwa nemizwa yocansi njengami nawe. So ungababandlululi, don't discriminate against them. Don't stare, ungagqolozeli. They hate being stared at. Kodwa-ke okunye hamba nawe uyozitholela ukuthi yini ongayifunda ngalaba bantu, and let us grow together, let us educate each other, let us inspire each other. It's one soul at a time on this podcast. Let us unbreak each and every topic that makes life meaningful every step of the way. Right? So from me to you, till we meet, we get ready with me on Purposeful Influence Awards. Don't forget to send us your stories. I'm still waiting for your stories. It's in a moment. We are about to close it. This is in Yakoni Stories Akona, as says. I'm about to close it. I'm gonna do two or three stories there. But if more stories are coming, I'm gonna continue. God, if you've got another story that can educate, another story that can change your life, another story that can make mehluko empilweni yomunye umuntu esingafundisa omunye umuntu silethe, I am more than willing to share that story, and more stories will come up in the next coming weeks after the Purposeful Influence Awards are out of the way, right? But from me to you, for now, love and peace. See you on the next one. Don't forget to check out my Plazon. Asihlebeni phela manicabanga uzongicabuza phela. He's a guy. Well, I know ukuthi he's single, but I don't know how true is that. Niyabazi laba ngamanga, you know them ngamanga, mhlawumbe uzongicabuza. Well, if he just gives me a kiss on the forehead to say congratulations for the nomination, I'll be like but nonetheless, check us out on the Purposeful Influence Awards.